Alright, hey guys, welcome back to BFU Nation. Today we're going to be doing something with watermelons and
we have to wear these glasses because
Do you guys see that ant over there?
Whoa.
Look how big it is.
Holy moly.
Alright, anyways, so we have a whole bunch of rubber bands, but I'm not saying this just because, it's a lot of rubber bands, but honestly, I feel that it's not going to be enough because we got a really big watermelon. Like, my hand, the watermelon. Dang it, it looks small. Anyways,
Watermelon.
So, Reagan here is, one of my old friends who used to live in the neighborhood, and then he moved, and so it's nice to see him again, I guess. But anyways,
Hi,
we got Rhett,
Hi, Rhett.
Reagan, Johnny Appleseed, Phil McGrenigans.
Hey.
I'm just kidding. I'm China McGrenigans. He's Phil McGrenigans.
I'm on a nickname.
And that's rejection. That's what rejection looks like.
They
I'm just
don't
kidding.
pay
I'm
me
just kidding.
enough
That's
not
Caitlin.
to have a nickname.
But anyways, let's get started.
Look, baby girl, you're so damn fine though. I'm trying to know if I can hit it from behind though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine though. And when it's over, you talking bands, girl, I got it. Benjamin's all in my pocket. I traded in my trues for some robbers. You playing Batman, Fetty's gonna rob him. Hey, I got a in my Rari. Hey, 17 shots, no 38. Hey, I got a in my Rari. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's mine. Wonder when she'll be mine. She walked past
Haley's here.
Hey.
Okay, so she says she's done this before and that we're gonna need a lot more and that this takes a couple hours. We don't have a couple hours.
You guys don't have a couple hours?
She doesn't have a couple hours. She
What time
lives
is it?
right there, but she has to go to her dad's. He gets to stay for a long time.
It's worth it for the ultimate peanut melon.
Yeah.
I guess everyone can stay for a while, but yeah, I guess.
that ass one more time. And I got this soda. For me boys ain't no ups. All fast money, no slow bucks. No one can control us.
Monty, tell me what you see. Is it money or it's me? I smoke 20, smell mellow. I got honeys in my V. They like Monty, can you be my?
Alright guys,
Let me
this
give
is
you
where we're at so far.
They're
They're arguing.
Take.
Yeah, we got a lot of rubber bands on this watermelon.
But we need
It's
more.
too small. We need more, and we almost have a peanut melon.
That's what we're going for.
That's what we're going for. It's when it inverts.
Oh, I
So-
got 3 raises. I got.
Please don't make copyright. Please.
Hey, copyright! Oh, monkey, Harambe. Blah. Ow.
Harambe lives on.
Yep, this is where we're at. So yeah, back to the time lapse.
They like Monty, can you be my baby daddy? I'm like, yeah, I got robins on my jeans. You see the
All right, guys, we're getting rained out. I'm not sure if you guys can see any of the rain, but. Anyways, yeah, it's raining, and so we're gonna have to finish this another time. Okay, guys, so we're back, but wait, I gotta do my intro. We're at a new spot. We're at Red's house, and we got another bag of rubber bands and this small one, and we're gonna explode it here because it started raining last time. We also are shooting on a new phone, and yeah, I guess hopefully we'll get it on slow-mo when it does pop. But alright.
Open up the champagne, pop. It's my house, come on, turn it up. Hear a knock on the door and the night begins. Cause we've done this before, so you come on in. Make yourself at my home, tell me where you been. Pour yourself something cold, baby, cheers. Sometimes you gotta stay in, and you know where I live. Yeah, you know what we is. Sometimes you gotta stay in. Welcome to my house, baby, take control now. We
guys. So it's definitely taking shape right now.
Peanut melon.
The peanut melon is taking shape. We just took a break, I guess. I don't know. And right now we're gonna cut it, like just some rubber bands. Oh yeah, it's leaking. Like, I'm not sure if you guys can see that water,
I don't see it.
but there's a whole bunch of leaks in it and stuff. But I'm gonna cut the rubber bands so it's not, just so it'll break better, I guess.
Just take the slice to it. Yeah, you got it. Thank you. I'm not getting watermelon in my eyes. Oh, jeez. Here's the thing, I don't want to cut the melon. Wait, stop it, Red. Stop it. You're just going to cut the melon. Let me try. No, I'm trying to be careful. Oh, yeah, it's good. Why you get under the melon and just snap them? Dude, you're blocking the camera. They're looking pretty wet. That's what I was thinking. You're going to snap your finger. Alright, can I do it?
Oh wow, welcome to my house. Play that music too loud. Show me what you do now.
It exploded! Oh, that was awesome! What? Well, it's still recording. Oh, that was awesome! Oh my god, it's everywhere.